what's up? It's your boy Noor back again with another video, and today I am here at Georgina, enjoying it. The place is really good, and yeah, it just rained and stopped, and now it's trying to like the sun is trying to come out a bit, but still it's cloudy. But just imagine there were no clouds, the blue sky, and this place. Oh my god. It must look really beautiful. I'm hoping tomorrow it's a bit a sunny day so I can record. And I guess over there's a big lake.
We get eggs from here. You know?
Oh wow.
I think it was collected already.
The chicken comes and lay eggs over
their
here.
eggs and then we collect.
Oh, that's really good.
You can go through in here, you know? At night they stay in here. Oh, it's enough light for your phone?
Yeah.
In starting end of May,
grab some log. This is the farm. It's like 5:45 right now, and our day is almost over, and we call it a day already. I took a shower and I feel fresh. I came here for the walk, but I need to wear some rain boots and I could walk over there, but it is it's a long walk. So now what we are going to do is I got some time, so I want to show you the farm. We have a lot of sheep, honeybees, chicken, there's dogs, and also a cat. She's cute. So at first let's look around the beehive. So these are actually baby Christmas trees. This takes time of 6 years to grow. So if you plant it now, after 6 years it will be ready to sell. So here we have few sheep, and we have over there two and inside two, and they are divided with the age groups, and whoever are pregnant or have small babies, they are like divided like that. And over there you can see these are the storage, and they have that hay in it. This is the hay. Yeah, this thing stores the food of the sheep, and we can like automatically put them in the buckets while we are like feeding them, and that's very convenient thing to do. It's modern agriculture. And look at them. So this is the barn of the farm, and where is every machinery tools are here. This is the name of the farm. This is the name of the farm. We also have a lot of tools like this, and the shovel, and the fork thing, big fork thing, I don't know what the name is. And you have a place for water to clean. Now I am about to show you the chickens. They're over there. So here are the chickens. A few are outside, mostly are inside. Look, they know that. They know. What do you want? There, that is Barry, and this is Lake Simcoe. प्राय यही दिन आएको छौँ यही भनेको चाहिँ त्यो परालको त्यो I mean, we just made this one whole tent. All done. Easy. Woo!
We look like we're snow angels, or like straw angels. I have to go close the.
Sorry. So she's 12 years old.
Okay.
Her mother.
So then you just get that. It just records into her.
Yeah.
You just download it into a computer.
Ready.
Ready.
So early. Why are you leaving?
How's it?